Have you wondered why some kids struggle with reading? Some students might not hear or be aware of all of the sounds and words. For instance, if your child says ba for ball, saying ball louder won't help. Instead, model mouth movements. Watch how my tongue and lips move. It's ball. Children learn language best when they see, hear, and feel speech. From 8 months old, kids wire their brains. They learn visually by watching your face, listen for sounds, and practice oral motor skills. Feedback from mirrors and videos supports learning. This multi-sensory approach builds phonological processing, crucial for reading. Now, Foundations for Speech, Language, Reading, and Spelling emphasizes speech to print. It develops speech sound awareness before letters. This includes visual, auditory, oral motor, kinesthetic, and feedback skills. Then, kids naturally learn letters, aligning with their brain development. Now, Programs is fully researched and proven effective for all ages. The result? Kids who believe in themselves, read with confidence, and finally love books. Discover how Now programs helps families overcome reading struggles at any age.